Hello, everybody. Good morning. Let's talk about Epicure and how we can keep those cooking classes simple. So my name's Andrea, my SK with Epicure. Clean Eating Without Sacrifice is my page. If you haven't clicked like yet, please do so that I know people are watching. So this is our brand new catalog for this month in Canada. Okay, so doesn't this look amazing? Okay. Epicure is known for healthy eating. Cake isn't healthy, icing isn't healthy, so why is there a cake on the cover? Well, we can make even something like a cake a lot healthier than just simply buying a cake mix from the store and having that be horrible for you, you eating that cake and then probably feeling sick afterwards. I had made this cake. It is our gluten-free pumpkin spice loaf. Let me see if I can find it quickly. Page 55, sorry. I had made this yesterday and I do have a video. Sorry, why can't I do this here? There we go. I do have a video that I did upload on YouTube yesterday. Please have a look, you guys. I had made this cake in 8 minutes in the microwave. I was shocked. It was the most moist cake I have ever made in my life. Let me tell you. I don't consider myself a baker, but imagine if you had made that cake at your cooking class, put it in the microwave and said, okay guys, in 8 minutes it's going to be done. Let's prep something else. And then they're like, you're putting a cake in a microwave? They will be shocked. But then as soon as you take that cake out and they can be like, oh wow, that does smell really good. Because let me tell you, it does smell amazing. You can tell that there's something baking, but not in the oven, in the microwave. Who knew? That is the way to keep it simple at cooking classes. So check out the catalog, you guys. The best thing, in my opinion, to do is keep it simple, okay? So keeping it simple means you don't have to make 3 different appetizers, 3 different main courses, 3 different cakes, because we do have a ton in here, you guys. We have cakes, we have more cakes, we have appetizers, we have dips, we have our steamers to kind of highlight, we have puddings, we have caramel sauce, which I have over there. We have amazing, amazing products. Keep it simple. So what I suggest doing is, let's say when your guests are coming in, have a tea ready for them, you know, because a lot of people think Epicure, they might not think tea, but our tea is so much healthier for you and it tastes amazing. Where are our teas? And I will leave the link for you guys to look at the catalog online as well. And if you're a customer of mine, I do send you a new catalog every time a new one comes out. So you will be having this soon. The teas, you guys, are on page 62. These teas are so good, and it's getting colder outside. People want something warm, something cozy. A tea is perfect. So have them try that. And you could also be preparing something as simple as a dip mix in plain 2% Greek yogurt, I believe they recommend. Yes, 2%. Mix that up, show them, and let me tell you about the dip mixes. We have a new cran apple cinnamon, which is my favorite. We have a baked apple dip mix, which I'm just trying to find for you guys. I personally like the chocolate truffle dip mix. Of course, I won't be able to find it. Sorry, guys, but we have tons. So definitely check it out. But a dip mix is perfect because you can have plain yogurt sitting out, mix in a little bit of the dip mix. It takes like 2 seconds. Have them taste it and they will go, wow, this tastes amazing. Have like cut up pineapple nearby. Yeah, I still can't find it. Sorry, but it's in here somewhere. Have like cut up something nearby so that they can dip it in your dip mix. They will go, oh my gosh, this tastes so good. They can buy a dip mix, or sorry, a dip from the store, but it's going to cost 3 times as much and be loaded with sugar. Epicure does not load anything with sugar. So if they like having a dip with their anything, why not make it themselves and make the kind that they want to make? You will not be able to find a cran apple cinnamon dip mix in the store. So that's why Epicure is so awesome. And then you could be showcasing, let's say, chicken fajitas in your steamer as your main course. Cut up chicken, 12 minutes, put it in the microwave, done. And then while they're eating that, somebody and you could be prepping the pumpkin, the gluten-free pumpkin spice loaf or cake in the other steamer. Pop that in the microwave when the chicken's done for 8 minutes. They will be amazed at how quickly things come together, because Epicure isn't just about healthy eating, but in my opinion, it is most about helping us live our life. As corny as that sounds, we don't want to spend hours cooking and then hours, prepping, and then hours cooking and then hours cleaning. We want something done in 20 minutes. We want to come home and know what's for dinner. That's the hugest thing, right? Hugest probably isn't a word, but that's okay. Our meal packs. Let me tell you guys about our meal packs. Even me as a consultant, it took me probably 6 months to get onto the meal packs. Think, no, I'll just try like a little bit here and there. I've been selling for about 3 years now. But our meal packs, you guys, are amazing. Buy them all. I'm telling you, buy them all, because you will never ever think what's for dinner ever again. Have your kids pick out one of these meal packs and say, this is what I want. Okay, done. It will be done and all set in 20 minutes. We even have a meal pack collection. Where is that? A 3-week dinner collection, you guys. Mix and match. There's all of these different kinds. You can see sort of what to make for 3 whole weeks. Amazing. Perfect for everybody. I don't know one person that does not say, what's for dinner? You will never have to say that again. Even if you haven't planned it out, take out one of these meal packs, add some lettuce, make your own salad dressing, which, let's see if I can find that quickly. I should know the pages. Actually, no, I shouldn't. Who does that? Who memorizes pages of a catalog? Not me, but definitely our own. You can make your own Caesar salad. So much healthier than buying it in the store. Like, store-bought Caesar salad has so much sugar, so much sodium, it's not even funny. This stuff is amazing. Try it. And you can make it your, own. Add different things to have it taste the way you want it to taste. Amazing. And the kids will be happy because you can make them a cake in 8 minutes. You can make them chocolate pudding in like 20 seconds. You can make all of this, you guys. Like, they will think you are the most amazing mom ever. Epicure is all about healthier eating and making things fast. You never have to ask what's for dinner again. And keep on saying that. Keep on saying that at your, when you're doing your cooking classes, either online or in person, it doesn't matter. But say, you might be wondering, why Epicure? Well, because we can make things so much easier to eat healthy. If your kids like, let's say, hot chocolate, well, guess what? Epicure has hot chocolate. So much less sugar than what you can buy in the store. I believe it's only 9 grams of sugar. In the store, it's at least 30, even upwards to 110. So which one are you going to buy? Which one are you going to buy? The one from Epicure, which has a lot less sugar, or the one from the store that you're probably paying more for that has like a lot of sugar? I don't even know. I need to look up these labels and I will get back to you why Epicure is so awesome. Okay, you guys? So keep it simple. Share why Epicure is so amazing. Okay? If you guys need help with any cooking class ideas, let me know. You can do cooking classes in person, online, doesn't matter. I can help you. But as soon as you do join the company and you do very, very well in your first 3 months, if you hold a minimum of 12 cooking classes in those 3 months, so let's just say 4 cooking classes each month, you can get amazing stuff. You can get free product. You can get free tickets to our conference that is happening in Las Vegas in April. You can get the money back that you paid for the business kit. That's the way to do things. So let me help you do that, because it is totally possible. I know most of my teammates have made 13 to 14 cooking classes in their 3 months. So if you're thinking, I can't do 12 cooking classes, that's really hard. It's not easy, but you will have so much fun, and those cooking classes will just keep on happening. And they can be in person and online. So thank you guys so much for listening. Happy September. I am so excited to finally be talking about this new catalog, because I have had the products pre-ordered for like 2 weeks now. So now I can finally share it with my lovely customers. So thank you guys, and my lovely consultants who want to know about how to make easy cooking classes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you need anything, if you would like to sign up for the business kit. If you have not yet, I will leave the link for that too on the bottom. I will talk to you guys very, very soon.